If you want to make your text stand out and look more professional, adding a shadow in Photopea is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add shadow in Photopea text step by step so you can create a clean, polished effect in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure your text is already created on the canvas. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Layers panel. This is where all of your elements are stored, including your text layer, images, shapes, and effects. Click on your text layer to select it. You'll know it's selected when it highlights in the Layers panel. This step is important because any shadow effect you add will only apply to the selected layer. Next, you need to open the Layer Style window. There are a few ways to do this, but the fastest method is to double-click on the empty gray space next to your text layer's name in the Layers panel. Make sure you do not double-click directly on the text thumbnail or the layer name itself if you want the quickest and cleanest result. Another way is to click the Effects or FX button at the bottom of the Layers panel. You can also go to the top menu, choose Layer, and then Layer Style. Any of these methods will open the same settings window. Once the Layer Style window appears, look at the list on the left side. Find Drop Shadow and check the box next to it. After that, click directly on the words Drop Shadow so its settings open in the center panel. This is where you'll control how the shadow looks. You'll notice several sliders and options, and each one changes a different part of the effect. Now let's fine-tune the shadow so it looks good. Start with opacity. This controls how dark or see-through the shadow is. In most cases, a range between 50 and 75% works really well, but you can adjust it depending on the style you want. If you want a bold, dramatic shadow, increase the opacity. If you want something subtle and soft, lower it. Next is angle. This controls the direction of the light source, which determines where the shadow falls. If your design already has other lighting effects, try matching the angle so everything feels consistent. A simple shadow angle can make your text look more natural and dimensional. After that, look at distance. This moves the shadow farther away from or closer to the letters. A small distance gives you a tighter shadow that sits close to the text, while a larger distance creates a more dramatic offset effect. If you want your text to look like it's floating above the background, increase the distance a little. Then comes spread. This setting makes the shadow edges harder and denser. A low spread gives you a softer, more blended effect, while a higher spread makes the shadow stronger and more defined. If your design is clean and modern, a lower spread usually looks better. If you want a sharper, more graphic style, try increasing it. Finally, adjust size. This controls how blurry or soft the shadow edges are. A small size creates a crisp shadow, while a larger size gives you a smoother, more realistic look. For most text effects, a bit of blur goes a long way, so try increasing the size slowly until it looks just right. As you adjust these settings, keep watching the preview so you can see the changes in real time. That's one of the best parts about Photopea. You can experiment until the effect matches your design perfectly. Once you're happy with the look, click OK to apply the shadow to your text, and that's it. You've just added a shadow to text in Photopea. It's a simple effect, but it can make a huge difference in the overall look of your design. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Photopea tips, design tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.